y'all, welcome to my spring outfits video. Today I'm going to be trying on outfits for the springtime. So I'm going to have some dresses, some sets, and I'm going to be styling it for you guys. We have a sponsor for today's video. Today's video is sponsored by Love Classic. They make a bunch of really cute stuff, so check them out online. As always, I will have the links in the description. They sent me some accessories. So these are like lace socks and a dress. So these will be coming up later in the haul. So just a moment about our sponsor. So this video today is sponsored by Love Classic. And the awesome thing about Love Classic is they actually started as a vision for like a sock company, and then they expanded into clothing. So they believe that socks and feet are an essential part of happiness and mood. So that's why I have some socks from them today. And they also give back 1% of their profits to women who are going through tough times, helping them heal and empowering them after domestic abuse and domestic violence. So thank you, Love Classic. That is awesome, and thank you for sponsoring this video today. So this is the dress that Love Classic sent me. It is like black and metallic sparkles. It's very like party, very bar, very club, while it's also being really like protective, I guess. Like, I don't know, I feel very like safe in this dress. I am of course still wearing it with the lace socks. So this is the full Love Classic fit. And you could style it a few different ways for springtime. So I think a really easy way to style this dress for spring would be to add a necklace. Simple, effective. So just something like this. This was a gift. It is a crystal amethyst, and I think that just this style would really add something to this style, which is kind of very samey, but by adding like this, we get like a different look. So let me try it on and see what you guys think about this, right? Simple, a little bit more styled for springtime. I also had the idea of adding a vest. And so this brings the fit back towards the lighter colors. It kind of gives a little bit more of a pop of color to detract from just the black sparkle. Paired with the necklace, I think it's a really effective look. And don't forget, I still have my lace socks on. So yeah, this is my Love Classic dress, and you can find all the info as well as a discount code for 10% off your order in the description box. So you just saw this dress. I just got it from New York, so it's hot new off the press, and by that I mean vintage, one of a kind, and has been sitting in a store for 3 months or however long. I have no idea, but anyway, this is how I'm styling this dress for the spring. So once again, I've got my necklace. I probably would actually wear like a small silver necklace with this dress. They're all tangled up, I'm gonna be honest. Like, all my necklaces are a tangled mess right now. So you're gonna have to deal with this one. And I paired it with this satin black top. So the great thing about this satin black top is it's not quite like a heavy jacket. So it's perfect for if it's just like windy outside, but not completely cold, which I feel like is very spring. So here's my completed outfit. So for my next springtime fit, I have this blue lace dress. I paired it with this vest that you saw earlier and this neck scarf you saw earlier. So we're starting to see common themes here. These colors are going to light up the palette a little bit just because this blue or turquoise is a little dark. I really like how fluffy these like sleeves are. This would be really cute for like a night out with the girls. I also like the length. It's not like too short either. I'm still wearing it with my black lace. So stay tuned for the second half of this haul where I have a few more outfits for you guys. Hey y'all, thanks for tuning in to my spring outfits montage. So I'm still in this blue dress, but I've made some changes to this outfit. For starters, I put my Toms on with the black lace socks, but that's okay. I still have my neck scarf, which is falling off. So let's try something new. How about a pink shawl? So pink lace on turquoise lace paired with black lace is quite the outfit choice. I wouldn't necessarily wear this out. It's so spring. This next dress you may also recognize from my New York video. This is the brown and pink floral dress. Screams spring with the floral. I also think it would be cute with the pink shawl I showed you guys earlier. So here's the finished look. So the other item I've been really into recently is like neck scarves, and I think it would look really cute with this outfit, as well as like the floral aspect of it is very like springtime. See how totally adorable. I could even pair it with the brown vest that I also got from New York. And just like that, my outfit is up and running, ready to go, hit the streets. So this next look is also all vintage. Once again, we've got this pink shawl, which is giving like Glinda from Wicked. Like I feel like that's kind of the vibe. And then I paired it with this dress I've had for forever, but I've never worn because I've never found an occasion for like a nude short mini dress. Maybe like a date. I felt like the floral here and the floral here is giving springtime, so I wanted to include it in this haul. So this outfit is super fun. I've got this white cardigan, this necklace, this floral lace bralette, and this baby blue dress. I think the color palette just screams springtime. I think the baby blue is going to be a big color this year. So this is this look. So this outfit, honestly, is giving like Snow White vibes. Like, am I right? Like, it's just the way this looks. And then these colors, like, call me Rachel Ziegler because I'm about to get canceled for my movie. I'm not gonna get into that. Anyway, all I need is to add some red princess shoes and I will be perfect for my next audition as Snow White. Totally kidding. Nothing against Rachel. See y'all next time. Hey y'all, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed my spring 2025 outfit try-on haul with dresses and fits and necklaces and cardigans and styling and lookbook and all of those buzzwords. You name it. So thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe at the ilybabe. Also check out my new channel at mspeaks. Thank you. I can't wait to see you guys on my next adventure. So catch up with y'all in LA. Yes, that's right. I'm moving to Los Angeles. Finally, I know. It's been a long time coming. So with that, adieu, farewell. I will see you all in the next video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Love y'all. XOXOXO at the ilybabe.